Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log into Premier Property Lawyer. So the very first step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the search engine and type in Premier Property Lawyer. Now click on the link which has this logo. This is the official page of Premier Property Lawyers. Now on the top navigation bar you can see two options, client login and introducer login. If you are willing to buy a property, then you can click on client login. Now type in your email address. Now type in your password. If you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now click on sign in, and following these simple steps, you are now able to log in Premier Property Lawyers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.